Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today is your science class and this is your science book. Okay, now open the page number. This one, we have a new lesson today. We are going to read the new units. Here is 77 page number, our universe. Now, just open the page number 77 and the our universe. Okay, when we look up into the sky during the day and we see the sun, we feel that the sun is moving around the earth. Now, how our planet, our planet, the earth has 7 neighbors. Together they make a family of 8 planets which travel around the sun. The sun and the 8 planets belongs to the family called solar system. The sun, you have to know, the sun and the 8 planets belong to the family called solar system. Now, first just come on the what are planets? The first question we have, what are planets? Planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. They are made up of rocks and gases. They don't have their own light and they move on a fixed path around the sun. Okay, called orbit. Okay, they move around. They move on a fixed path around the sun called orbit. Now, the 8 planets I have put on the board. The 8 planets in order of their distance from the sun are: first one is Mercury, then we have Venus, then Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, then Uranus and Neptune. You have to know the 8 planets in order of their distance from the sun. Okay, now you can see in the book as well, page number 77. Okay, now planets. What are planets? Planets are heavenly bodies that move around the sun. They are made up of rocks and gases. They don't have their own light. They move on a fixed path around the sun called orbit. The 8 planets in order of their distance from the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. You have to learn these 8 planets' name. Okay, turn the page. As you can see in the picture, okay, now as you can see in the picture, the first 4 planets are called inner planets. The last 4 planets are called gas giants. Now you can see the 8 planets in order of their distance from the sun. Sun is here, then Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. You have to know the 8 planets in order of their distance from the sun. Now turn the page number 79. You have most of the planets have satellite. You can see the satellite, this one, okay. Most of the planets have satellite. A satellite is heavenly body that revolves around a planet. It does not have light of its own. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Now, how are planets and stars different? So we know about it. Planets are much smaller than stars, and stars are a source of light. So they twinkle at night and are fixed. Okay, as you have you seen at night. The stars are a source of light, so they twinkle at night and are fixed. Planets don't have their own light, they never twinkle. Now, come on the Earth. The Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports life, but the Earth was not always like this. Now, turn the page number 80. This one. Page number 80, this one. Okay, layers of Earth. I have written on the board layers of Earth. The first one is crust, mantle, then core. This crust, the outer solid layer, you can see in the picture, so you can easily know layers of the Earth. Crust. This one. Okay, the outer solid layer is called crust on which we live. Okay, mantle, you can see below the crust is a thick layer of rock called mantle. Now core, we have the center of the earth is very hot, is called the core. The inner we have is a ball of hot solid metal, then and the outer core is made of thick liquid metal. Now you can see the activity as well. It will be easier for you to understand about the layers of earth. A simple egg can explain well the structure of the earth. You can see the shell represent the crust, the hard egg white, this one, the hard egg white is the mantle, and the yellow part is the core. Are you getting? Now come on the movement of the earth. After this, movement of the earth. Movement of the earth. Okay. Movement of the earth. Now each planet moves around the sun along a fixed path. Okay, this movement is called revolution. What is it called? This movement is called revolution. Now and the fixed path is called the orbit. Now turn the page number 81. Now day and night. Most of us get up and when it's a day and go off to sleep at night. We see the beautiful sunrise and then the sunset. Many of our activities depend on whether it is a day or night. The Earth's rotation on its axis causes day and night. You can see in the picture as well, page number 81. This one, revolution and rotation of the earth. You can see in the picture as well. Okay, now turn the page number 82. Okay, now seasons. The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Okay, now the season caused due to revolution of the earth on its orbit and earth turned to one side. The part that is tilted towards the sun gets more sunlight and has summer. The part that is tilted away gets less sunlight and has winter. As the earth continues to revolve, the part that was tilted towards the sun slowly turns away and has winter. Other part now has summer. Now turn the page. Okay, now festivals and seasons. We have festivals and seasons. Many festivals of the world are related to the sun. Okay, the moon, stars and seasons. Our 2E depends on the moon because Islamic calendar is based on the phases of the moon. So come on, remember. Okay. Come on, remember. The solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets. Okay, planets revolve around the sun on a fixed path called orbit. Planets turn around their own axis. This is called rotation. Satellites are heavenly bodies that move around the planets. The movement of planets around the sun along a fixed path is called revolution. Now, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. Change of season takes place due to the tilt of the earth and its revolution around the sun. Come on, the working of this lesson. Okay, come on, the working of this lesson. Fill in the blanks. This is the fill in the blanks that when you solve. This is your for sample. You have to read this whole our universe by yourself, and you will fill up these blanks by yourself. Now, planets revolve around the dash. What the planets revolve around? You will write over here the answer. Dash is the only planet on which life exists. Okay, which planet? So you will write the earth, yeah, another planet. Okay, the outer solid layer of the earth is dash. Okay, I have told you layers of the earth. Okay, we know about it, three layers. So which one is the outer solid layer? So you will write over here. Dash is an imaginary line passing through the center of the planet. So you will write over here X is, yeah, another one. Dash was the first artificial satellite to go into space. You can, okay, now come on the true and false. Satellites revolve around the sun. Is it true? So you will write true, otherwise false. The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. So you will write over here true or false. Stars are made up of rocks or gases. So you will write over it. Is it true? So will you write over true, otherwise you will write over here false. There is no difference between planets and stars. So you will write over here true. Is it true? So you will write over here true, otherwise false. The part of the earth tilted away from the sun has winter. So is it true or false? So you will write over here true or false. The earth takes air to complete a single rotation. So where you will write seasons don't depend on the earth's distance from the sun. So you will write which one you true or false. First you will read the whole chapter. Then you will fill up these work. Okay, now match the following. Earth, you will match with the planet or star. So you will match with the correct one. Now sun, so sun you will match with the star or anyone. So you will match with it. Moon is the natural satellite or artificial satellite. So you will match with it. Now then the remaining one you will also match. Which one will be the correct with this. Now after this you can see in it. Then you can read the remaining headings by yourself, so it will be easier for you to fill up your work. As we know, artificial satellites are man-made machines sent into space to orbit a planet. So, is there any confusion related to our universe? This unit you can ask for WhatsApp and we can give the reply as soon as possible. And thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.